In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds between bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to record a transfer so your books stay accurate and up to date. Let's start at the very top of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. To begin a transfer, move your cursor to the top menu and click on the button labeled New. This opens a panel with different transaction types. Look for the section called Other, then select the option called Transfer. This tells QuickBooks that you're moving money from one account to another rather than creating an expense or a deposit. Once the transfer window opens, you'll see two important drop-downs. The first one is labeled Transfer Funds From. Click this and choose the bank account the money is coming out of. This should be the account that's actually losing the funds in real life. Below that, you'll see Transfer Funds To. Click that drop-down and select the account that will receive the money. Make sure you pick the correct accounts here, because this is what keeps your balances accurate across your books. Next, you'll enter the details of the transfer. In the Transfer Amount field, type the exact dollar amount you moved between accounts. Take a moment to double-check this against your bank or your notes to avoid mistakes. Then review the Date field. QuickBooks will usually default to today's date, but if the transfer happened on a different day, adjust the date so it matches when the transfer actually occurred. This helps keep your reports and reconciliations accurate. You'll also see a Memo field. This is optional, but very helpful. Here, you can add a short description, such as monthly transfer to savings or move funds to payroll account. Adding a clear memo makes it easier to recognize this transfer later, especially when you're reviewing transactions or explaining activity to a colleague or accountant. When everything looks correct, you're ready to save the transaction. At the bottom of the window, click Save and Close to record the transfer and exit the screen. If you know you'll be entering another transfer right away, you can choose Save and New instead, which records the current one and opens a fresh transfer form. Finally, it's a good idea to verify that the transfer has been recorded properly. Open each bank account's register and scroll to the relevant date. You should see the transfer listed as money going out of one account and coming into the other. Once you see it in both registers, you'll know your transfer has been successfully recorded in QuickBooks Online.